In this village of Kilwa in southeastern Tanzania, fish is a lifeline. It is not only a source of food, but also a source of income. Processors and sellers alike reap the rewards. Many, like Fatuma Machalila, line up at auction to place their bid on the catch of the day, which she buys for resale to customers. She says demand is high and supply is not enough.
The scramble is there because everyone wants to get income from it so that he or she can feed his family. But because the catch is not so much, everyone is tussling to get a bigger share so that they can make more.
The number of fishing vessels in this channel shows you why Kilwa's economy heavily relies on fishing. The Tanzanian government says it could be more, but the only challenge has been lack of proper infrastructure. It says it's building a fishing port to be a game changer. Beneath these cranes and scaffolding, the future of Kilwa district is taking shape. This modern fishing port will be able to support more commercial fishing in the deep sea. Engineer George Kwandu,
the tuna fish will be here, very big fish,
takes us around.
The docking area will start from there. You see, is around 300, yes. This docking, we expect to accommodate the big vessels for the capacity of 107 meters. But also it can accommodate the vessel of the medium size, which is around maybe 40 to 60. And we can accommodate also the small scale vessel of the fishermen. After they finish, it can accommodate 10 vessels at once, with the capacity maybe of 30 to 35 meters.
The harbour will be equipped with facilities for processing and storing fish.
We are building there the fish treatment refrigeration center that can accommodate 1,300 tons. They will have the infrastructure that can produce the ice for accommodating the fishes, which is around 110 tons per day. But some of the fish will go direct to, we have also the fish market.
Now that is for the local consumption?
For the local consumption and for the for export. There will be the auction there.
The fishing port is on track to be completed in 2025. It's being constructed by the China Harbour Engineering Company and is part of the Belt and Road Initiative, which seeks to promote global trade and connectivity.
We'd like to see this port after completion. He can make the good contribution to Tanzania economic and developing the blue economic Tanzania.
Inland fishing currently accounts for over 80% of Tanzania's fish supply. The port is expected to help diversify the country's fishing sector. The government says the port will also increase the sector's contribution to the country's total exports as well as national GDP.
This will bring about the employment of about 30,000 numbers of workers, directly and indirectly. Along with that, our expectation is to grow from 1.9 growth percentage per year to 8.4 growth percentage per year, from 1.8 GDP contribution to 10% GDP contribution, expecting to 2036, according to our master plan.
As the port nears completion, people like Fatuma from local fishing communities look forward to the new opportunities it will bring.
Tumelifurahia swala la bandari.
It will really connect our fishing business to the international market. When we sell to other countries, our export income will increase immensely. Our lives will surely change because a lot of opportunities in our fishing business will come up. And we are happy the construction of the port is happening.
This port is going to be massive. Besides the creation of thousands of jobs for the people of Tanzania, it will help the East African nation exploit its huge deep sea fishing potential. Enoxikolia, CGTN, Kilwa District, Tanzania.
Well, CGTN's Daniel Kijo sat down with the Tanzanian Minister for Fisheries and Livestock, Abdallah Ulega, who gave an insight on how the Kilwa Masoko fishing port sets to enhance the nation's deep sea fishing operations.
This is a flagship project led by Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan under the sixth government. It started in the financial year 2022-2023. To date, it's about 52% to completion. You know, the 315 meters long quay will help to dock about 3 to 10 big vessels, you see, and 300 vessels, the small boats, you see. So, and it will comprise of, you know, the factory processing, you see, the processing of the fish. But again, it will include the ice plant and the storage. About 60,000 metric tons of fish per year can be stored at a time, you see. So all this will bring about the development of the sector, but again, it will bring about the development of our country by using our resources.
Now, let's talk about a bit about Chinese expertise and technology. I think there's some Chinese companies that are involved in the construction. So how is this important to the construction, and how will it make sure that the port is of high quality?
Yeah, the Chinese are good in construction. And as of now, we see they are doing a good job according to the criteria and the requirements. You know, they did a design and a building, you see, and there are Tanzanian experts as well joining forces together with these Chinese experts. So we're hoping there will be a transfer and exchanging of knowledge between the Chinese and the Tanzanians, you see. So it's like a capacity building in a way as well. So we hoping after the completion of this Kilwa fishing port, our experts and technicals, they will have something gained from the Chinese counterpart. And when we are going to construct another fishing port in this 1,424 kilometers stretch, we are expecting, you know, these Tanzanian technicals already been having a good knowledge on the fishing port construction. So we are happy with this, you know, transfer of knowledge and exchanging of knowledge with these Chinese